Philippians 1:3 states, "I thank my God every time I remember you." Here, Paul expresses his heartfelt gratitude to God whenever he thinks of the Philippian believers. This sentiment reflects the deep connection and mutual support that characterized Paul's relationship with this early Christian community. The church in Philippi was among the first congregations Paul established, and their continued partnership in spreading the gospel brought him immense joy and thankfulness. The context of Paul's expression of gratitude is not an isolated statement, but is intricately linked to the broader context of his letter. Following this verse, he elaborates on his joy and thankfulness for the Philippians' partnership in the gospel from the first day until now. Philippians 1:5. This partnership encompassed their financial support, prayers, and shared commitment to the mission of spreading the Christian faith. Paul's acknowledgement of their unwavering support highlights the significance of communal efforts in advancing the gospel. Theological implications. Paul's thanksgiving underscores several key theological themes. 1. The power of Christian fellowship. The deep bond between Paul and the Philippians exemplifies the strength and importance of fellowship among believers. Such relationships provide encouragement, support, and a sense of belonging within the body of Christ. 2. Continuous gratitude. Paul's consistent thankfulness serves as a model for believers to maintain an attitude of gratitude, recognizing and appreciating the blessings and support received from fellow Christians. 3. Divine partnership. The verse highlights the collaborative nature of Christian ministry, where both divine guidance and human cooperation work in tandem to fulfill God's purposes. Application for today's believers. For contemporary Christians, especially those in the United States, Philippians 1:3 offers valuable insights. Cultivating thankfulness. Embracing a mindset of gratitude can transform our interactions and relationships within our faith communities. Regularly acknowledging and appreciating the contributions of others fosters unity and strengthens communal bonds. Supporting one another. The Philippians' example encourages believers to actively participate in and support the ministries and missions of their communities, whether through prayer, financial contributions, or volunteer efforts. Reflecting on relationships. Taking time to remember and give thanks for those who have impacted our spiritual journeys can inspire us to continue fostering meaningful connections within the church.